A tutorial by Ty, how to make something disappear in CoSpaces. For the first step, you press the library. Go to any category. I chose characters, and pick any one of these characters or things or whatever you chose. Right here, I chose this girl. Then drag it out to the play area, like that, like this. So double tap your character or whatever you chose to disappear. Then press this code block. Then it will show you to this place. You press these two things and make it turn blue. Then go to this code button right here. Show you to this place. Find the set opacity code and drag it to this when play clicked, and drag it right under it. And also press this button right here and put casual girl, and right here write 0. When you press play, it will show you to this, and the girl and whatever you chose will be gone. Thank you for watching.